2-year-old boy who got stuck in a washing machine at his house at Vidyanagar Colony on Wednesday was rescued by neighbors who broke open the newly purchased machine. The mother of the child was busy cooking when she heard her son cry. She saw her son had fallen into the machine while playing and sought help from her neighbors. They tried to dismantle the machine using a screwdriver, but in vain. With a cutter, they successfully rescued the boy. It took them half an hour to rescue him. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.